Hey guys, very good evening. Again, an unexpected event today. My days are filled with lot of unexpected events. So it's New Year, a very happy New Year since morning to everyone. I hope this year brings lot of joy and happiness for you and your families. I really wish the entire year be happy for everyone, since it starts with happy. So yeah, since morning I was feeling that it's not a new year, there is nothing so special about it, and a lot of things. Since there was no anxiety, there was no curiosity about anything. Neither I wanted prior to, in the month of November during my birthday, I was thinking this time in the new year I'll make good cartoon wala rangoli. Yes, cartoon wala rangoli. Will bring some sweets, will cut some cake and all. I was thinking, since that this is the way I used to spend my new year every time. So now what is happening? Until morning my husband was convincing me that we will go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is a hilarious situation.
केते गुड आछन
So where was I? Even I forgot looking at the tense situation. I'm so sorry. Where was I?
You were planning for Rangoli
Yeah.
and suddenly your husband suggested
No.
something.
Yeah. Since morning my husband was like, let us go Bhubaneswar. And I was like tired of the same roads. He got some what do you say?
बाबू रे चिड़ाया की बाजबोर नहीं जनती
Side में.
आओ छन की
Honk hard.
shut down the recording for some time. This is how they are smuggling all the cows.
Yes.
आओ केते जाऊ छन
If you go to my vlogs, in the early days of my vlogs, you can find the conspiracy about the cows and how our government says that we have to protect them, these, that and all, and speak some more. Implementation and work, actions are zero. Whatever they say that we will do this, they just do the opposite of that, just like controlling Delhi pollution. Anyways, so my husband was like, we'll go Bhubaneswar and with Dominar, and then I was convinced to a certain extent that yes, it will be a bike ride, we can have fun, let us think about it. And suddenly a very old friend of us have called, and suddenly there was a huge quench to rush to that place. I don't know why. So suddenly the planning, my husband just asked me, we'll go by bus, and I was like, what is the thing if we go by car? Then it was double the bus, approximately 4,000 5,000 more than the bus. 7,000 more than the bus. Then I said, should we ask mom and dad? That means my father-in-law and mother-in-law. And then my husband just called my father-in-law, and he was quite excited. And until then we were not getting any hotels to stay. I didn't knew what would be the thing. Okay, so in a very tense situation, yes, no, these, that, okay, well, insane to look at his energy in that age. Okay.
यार वो 120 किलोमीटर से आ रहे हैं और हम लोग इतना लेट से निकले. दैट इज द वर्स्ट पार्ट. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू पिक हिम from Hatha. That is also a place nearby. Like it is almost like 60 kilometers from here. So we are going there and then we will start the journey. So currently the roads what exactly you're looking at, these are the roads all the way from our village to Hatha, and then we'll start the journey from there with my father.
He's my father too.
Yeah, your father too. But yeah, we are super late. Unfortunately, because of some or the other reason, we got delayed. Now I'm rushing like anything. But still, my father said like, do not worry, bacha.
Come safe.
Come safe. Take your own suitable time. I can wait for some time.
What will happen if I wait for 10 minutes or half an hour or so?
It's okay, no problem.
I can stand, no problem. And it just melted our heart, and literally it made our heart like weeping situation. Then finally we started and we are rushing towards him. Since the roads are quite fine, even though it is a single lane, but I wish I could show this road in the morning because it looks very
Right,
beautiful, very beautiful, amazing. In cities, people try to move to the countryside such that they can get these kind of views, but I live in a place as such with lot of peace, harmony, and pollution free. That is the best part, and no peepa of any vehicle.
Just ours.
Yeah, only
Like the way.
it is only that we honk. No one other than us honks. Anyways, and we haven't started where we are going. Where we are going. We are heading to Hyderabad. So, which path we will be taking, Sandeep?
Which route?
Yes.
So my plan is to take the route all the way from Hatha to Rairangpur, from Rairangpur Bhubaneswar via Karanjia,
Mm-hmm.
and then Karanjia Andapur, and I think you might have seen our old vlogs as well. That is the same route we'll be taking till
Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar. From there we'll go all the way from what we say Vishakhapatnam via Barampur, then Rajmundry, post-wise Hyderabad. Vijayawada will be there in between. So yeah, I think in the entire journey we will show what exactly our experience was. From last many years we were planning
Oh
to
my
go with
goodness,
our
we forgot about these things.
what?
These chipped roads.
Right. Still is fine, but no problem as such.
Be careful, Nadal.
No problem. यार पता है आज हम हवा भी नहीं डाल रहे हैं. पता नहीं कितना होगा. मैंने देखा भी नहीं. Let me check my TPMs.
Okay.
35. हाँ ठीक है चलेगा. In Hatha probably the prices of the fuel will be less. Maybe we can fuel up entirely.
Okay, we'll see to it.
In Bhubaneswar it was near to 94. Here it should be 93. Diesel. ठीक है चलो तो
So
वहाँ
far so
पहुँचने से
good. Post speaking, Papa. We can meet everyone again. So till then, have fun. Bye bye.